Hello everyone, welcome to AI Coders. So basically, what we will start the data engineering interview question company wise. We will cover all the interview question in this case. So I will start today. So you don't need to pay thousand of rupees. Everything is free now. So you have to focus here. So I will be go with first. So today I will discuss Google data engineering interview. Interview questions. So I will tell you what is the experience, how we can do that, what are the questions they will ask for data engineering interview. So round one. In round one, they are asking DSA and SQL round. So they definitely in the round one, basically there is a three round totally. Majorly there is a three round. Round one, round two, round two system design, round three, technical and googliness round. Do you know? Technical and googliness round. Round four, HR round, and finally in the you will get the offer later. Final offer later. So this is the first round. Right, if you selected and offer later. So these are five round. So first of all, they are asking the first round. We will go with the first round. The round one. DSA and SQL row. First, they will focus window function. So first I will go with the SQL row. Round 1, and now I'm going for the SQL question. Medium to hard difficulty. Okay, I will tell you the window function. Window function. So I will give you the. So first of all, we need to understand because we are going for the basic to advanced. So if you know window function, you can skip this part and you can go directly the question. But we are giving the basic overview. What is the window function? A window function perform a calculation across set of row related to the current row. This is a basic standard language definition. We don't need to remember. I just put it for the understanding purpose. Let me explain with the example. So let me explain with the example for PySpark because we will write the query in Spark SQL form from PySpark.SQL window import window. So this way we can import the window function. We can run it. Now data 1 IT 500. So we need a few data. So I put the data set data 1 IT 5000, 2 IT 6000. This is data. This is a column name, and this is the data frame. So we can display the data frame. You can see we have an employee IT salary. Now what is the question? Everyone is asking calculate the average salary in their department, right? Calculate the average salary in their department, right? So how to calculate? Calculate the average salary in their department. Rank employee within each department based on the salary. Okay. So this is the question. First of all, in this DF, we can make a temp view because we are writing the question. This is the temp view. So what we can see, we can see the data, person SQL. Either we can change here also. Select star from employee. You can see the data. Now you can. So now we need to calculate the average salary. So what we can say, we can just change SQL. So we can say select. First of all, I'm just found the average salary. Average. So we have an individual function average salary, but over the partition, over the each partition. Partition by department as average salary by DAPT from employee Now we found the salary. Now we can choose the others one, employee ID, comma, department, comma, salary. Now we can see that HR department, this is the average salary, and IT department, this is the average salary in IT department. If we calculate basically in simple math, so it's something like that, the average salary. Now another question. What is the another question? Rank the employee within each department based on salary. Average salary we found it. Now rank, we need to find the rank. Now we can open another thing. So basically after this, because there is a dense rank, rank and row, we can discuss all three properly. What is the use of rank, dense rank and row? We can discuss more properly, more good way. We will learn it. So I will tell you how can we learn it. So rank employee within the each department. Let me tell you the problem statement, how to solve that. So we can use the same cell uh, query. Let me copy this. We can put this query here. See, I will tell you how Google asking what question he was asking, but I will explain that what is the ranks, dense rank. You should we know that. So we can say rank. This is the SQL function. If you are aware of that, over partition by, because rank employee within the each department. So again, partition by department, but we need based on the salary, order by salary. Now we can put ascending, descending, but let me think here. What is the issue? I will explain that. Ascending, if you put ascending, it will be assigned 1. So if you can say has a max salary, we can put descending. So it has a max salary, we will provide the 1. Rank over partition by department, salary rank. Okay, we have to use comma. We have to just little tweak. We missed that. We have to use from. Now we can see the query. Now see carefully. The IT person, HR, the rank 1 and 2. Wow, we have given 1 and 2 rank. Correct. If you can see 1, 2, 3. IT 6000, we have given 1. IT just 5500, we have given 2. 5000 because we have given 3. Now if we have put ascending, so it will be take less salary, lower salary will be above first. You can see 5000 first, 5502 and 6003. Now I can do dense rank. Instead of rank, I will use the row. You can see the changes, row number. Be careful what you are observe. We are giving based on the number 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. Just we are giving the number. Now you will say why we are not going for the dense rank. Let's try with the dense rank. Also dense rank. So we have a row number, dense rank and rank. So we can use that like. So we can discuss what is a rank, what is a dense rank, and what is the. What is the dense rank and row? So this is just overview. What is the window function? Basically, it's just distribute our data based on the rank for based on the current column what you want, like department wise, salary wise. Now we can discuss in more detail what is the rank, dense rank, and row number, and then what question was asking in the Google. I will tell you that. So this is the question. The basic question is this is the data. Let me tell you the data. This is the data: order ID, customer ID, order date, and amount. So what is the question? So this is the data. Now we need to identify. So we need to identify, compute, calculate. Compute means calculate. Running total per customer order by order date. Running the total, because there is the iPhone. If you go for the Google, so if you go for the Apple, so there is the iPhone. Google, there is a other product, Google product. So there is the Google Pixel. So basically these are the phone. So now we need to identify, compute the running total per customer order by order date. Right. Calculate the running total by, you can see the data. Now calculate or compute the running total. Running total means per customer order by order days. What is the order by the customer? Means how much the customer ordered the, how much the customer ordered the this order the what I would say, order the amount, total amount of which date. So we need to identify like 1, 5 and 10. For 101, customer ID 101, the order date 1, order date 5, order date 10. We need to calculate how much he paid to, how much order he to, how total amount of order he did that. So let me tell you what is the code. So let me tell you the window function. I've already written, this is the window function. Let me written again. Window, this I am just space total equal to window partition by customer ID, because we need each customer per customer order. So we need to each customer. Window dot partition by customer ID. We can copy from here, copy the column name, and we can put here customer ID. Order by what? Order by order date, and ascending. Here I will put ascending, because I need to calculate from the beginning, like 500, 700, 1200. Basically what I need to calculate, I need to calculate something like that. 3, I will tell you. Now there is a row between. I will tell you what is that row between. Be with me. This is a Google question. It will be take a time. Row between window unbound preceding. I will tell you what is that unbound preceding, comma window the dot current row. Okay, clear? Yeah. Till now, any doubt? Or let me tell you the row between unbound preceding. What is this? First of all, I will be explain the row between. The row between the start and end. So where we what we put start unbound preceding and end we put current row. Correct? I will do that. Define a window frame. So we are defining a window frame. The range of row that a window function operate are relative to the current row. Here we are defining a range, unbound preceding and current row. I will tell you what is the unbounded preceding and current row, but the row between where we define a window frame, that is the range of row that a window function operator relative to the current row. Now window unbound preceding, that meaning include all the row from the start of the partition up to the current row. So what partition you will start? Let's suppose it will start 111. So it will be start from 111, 500, 700, 1000. So this is a window frame because we are doing a customer ID. Based on the customer ID is the starting, and what is the current row? Current row is the stop all the frame at the current row. So this is last is the current row. I think it is clear. Any doubt? The row between window and bounded preceding and current row. We need to understand. You have to understand what is the row between window uh, unbound and preceding. It will be take the entire partition like partition. This is a partition. This is a partition. This is a partition, and it will be unbound. Take entire row from the current 1, 2, and 3. It will be start. Right now. Now we have to whatever we have DF like order DF, whatever order DF we have, whatever order DF we have, equal to we need to calculate the running total customer by how much he is paying. So we can say order DF. So we can say running DF, total running DF, order DF dot with column running total dot comma. Now we can use sum amount over window Now you can see the display 500, 700, 200, 300, 2 and 3, 200. So you are getting, we are summing the amount based on the windowing. That's why we are using unbounding, preceding and current row. I think this is the clear. So this is the main thing you have to learn it. Now you have to compute order rank for each customer based on the order date. Now compute the order rank for each customer based on the order date. So what we can do, we need to now rank order by each customer. So based on calculate the order rank, which person order first, which order two. What we can do, running df dot with column order rank. Try to make it simple, because yes, I totally agree. The question is very tricky, but this is a Google question. It's not a straightforward, right? Dot over window. Now we need to pass window space. We need to define the window function. So window, we need to partition the data. Window dot partition by customer ID dot order by order date. Okay, now we can use this space rank. It will be C, final result. You can see 1 2 3 and 1 1. So we are just distributing rank, which one order first, which one order second. By default it will take a ascending order, but I want to go for the descending order. So what I can do, I can do one thing, descending order. Let me define the descending also. So now you will see 1 2 3. This is the way you can make a descending, but ascending order is more appropriate. You don't need to define for ascending and these things. You have got it, the problem strength. So this is a little tricky problem. Maybe we will do a lot of problem like this. So don't worry, just focus on that. I think there is an upcoming lot of Google question. We will start Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Netflix, and like all the company we will cover in there. If you cover these questions, that is enough to complete this one. So thank you, team. I hope this video you like it. Please like, subscribe, and I will be bring a lot of data engineering, data science, machine learning, and uh, data regarding the all the data related. We will try to complete it. Thank you, everyone.